there, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a Minecraft texture pack. First off, you're gonna need to download one. You can go to www.google, type in Minecraft texture packs. The first one is the best one because it's just amazing. So, find a texture pack you like. One I like is, chances are I'm not going to be able to, Super Mario 64 Craft. Played that game, it's awesome. It was very weird. The endless stairs and the freaky music when you went up was just weird. Okay. There it is, that's the one I have. Cottery Craft. So, you can install it in two ways. With custom water and without. First off, without. To get it without, you just put it in your name, update of roaming Minecraft texture packs. If updater isn't there, isn't in that folder and search options, no show hidden files, folders and drives. Okay, so now it'll be there, roaming Minecraft texture packs. Or you can type in run, probably the most common way, %appdata %. Okay, so then we're here again. Or maybe that would be Minecraft run. Type in your password. Logic. Go into mods, open texture pack. There we have it. So I'm going to use my Cottery. So single player, I'll just use my world. Found a mob spawner and put some lava in. Okay, so just gonna show you guys that there is not custom water unless you use a program that I will put in the description. And the cool thing is with this one, I haven't got my diamonds. Oh well. I'm using Gargamel because that's like an awesome seed. So I have 3 buckets. A number I wouldn't recommend using, but I will. Get me the hell inside. Okay. I was gonna go to sleep. Shoo, ye evil beasts. So many chests. So if you look over there, the water is the exact same as normal Minecraft. Okay, save and quit title. So close that. Okay, so we need to use MC Patcher. Browse for the texture pack. Cottery. Go Cottery. Whoops. Let's patch it. Hopefully it should work. Yep. There we go. Single player jack. Then if you look over there, the water is completely different, which is very cool. Okay, So now we've patched it. Every time we shut up, zombies and spiders. Every time we load the game, it's going to be in this texture pack, which is awesome. So I'm just quit, close. So now unpatch it. Restored. Okay, I've downloaded a HD texture pack, and you definitely need this if you want it to work. So animated water, yup, patch. Okay, and if it would like to work, which chances are it's not, it should look pretty damn cool. Oh man, it's using the old texture pack. Probably because I knew why. It's because there's a complete mix-up of textures. So close. Actually, no. Wait. I need that. Yes. Cancel. Unpatch. Tests. Yeah. So that. And if you're fine. So unpatch. But yeah, that's how you get it to work. But you just want a texture pack that you're gonna stay with forever. And if you have, then it will ultimately work. So there you have it. Installing HD texture packs with water. Well, custom water anyway. So hope this has been helpful, and comment, subscribe, and well, don't have to favourite, but would be nice. See ya.